Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a unit out of a 67 Camaro. This comes from Joe in DeKalb, Illinois, and this gentleman has requested that this unit be converted for use with a repro radio or a converted radio, which has been done. So let's pop in the tape, make sure she works before we go back. Okay, got to reset my receiver. Beating the sound in a moment here. Really look at our meters, make sure we got both sides. And we do. I'm going to switch tracks a bunch of times. Okay, and that's it. There's not much to test on a converted 8-track because the controls no longer do anything. All that's done at the radio now. The only thing that still works on the 8-track will be the program change buttons, and if it has any lights, those will still work as well. So that's the story on that. And I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. You can reach me at 928-533-9666. This is for paying, repair, or conversion work only. This is not a number to call looking for a belt or a part. They're just too hard to find, and I do not sell what I've got. It's that simple. You're asking me to sell off my livelihood when you're asking me to sell a part. It's not going to happen. Thanks so much for watching, listening. We'll see you guys next time. My website is in the description below. Thanks again, folks.